Hello friends, welcome to Electropixels. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Hi friends, today in this video we are going to repair a LED bulb using this universal LED module. It's a 12 volt LED module for repairing the LED bulbs. See friends, this is the bulb. Here in this bulb the LEDs are damaged due to overuse. So to repair this bulb we are going to install this universal LED module. See friends, you can see this is the bulb. Here almost all LEDs are burned. See friends, so let us remove it first. Now we need to desolder the wires from this PCB. See friends, now the old LED module is disconnected. So now the next step is to solder these wires to this module. Here one wire is for line and one wire is for neutral. So let me solder it first. So now the work is done. So now the work is done. Here I am using a double side tape for fixing this LED module. So now let us go for testing for the final result. See friends, now this bulb is connected to the holder. Now let us power on and check the working. See friends, now the bulb started working. So that's it. Hope you like this video. See you in another video with another interesting topics. If you like our channel, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for getting further notifications. Thank you for watching.